apparently S26 Ultra is very popular. Now this is for US. I know I have some people here watching me right now that are not in the United States, but I've heard in South Korea, their home base, the sales numbers are insane, record breaking. And I've heard in, is it Brazil or Argentina, South America, I think the numbers are very good. So we're gonna jump into this. The cameras, yeah, if you just got here, I mentioned in the very first part of this live stream, the cameras look really, really improved. And that's what I was saying earlier. I don't know what they did. It's literally the same hardware, these same camera sensors. S25 Ultra, S26 Ultra. S26 Ultra photo quality looks almost as good as Pixel, and whoa, I would never ever compare a Samsung to a Pixel. It looks badass. So I'm gonna test that extensively here over the next few days. It looks good. I don't know what they did to it. I'm gonna dig into it and find out. Obviously they tinkered with the aperture, how much light comes in when you take a photo. I'm assuming that did the trick, but I'm like, well, why didn't they do this a year or two ago? Like, why the cameras on my S25 Ultra suck. They suck. Video's good, but still photos, no. But it looks good this year, and I think that's why. But so sales numbers are in, and they look fantastic. So look at this. Since the unveiling, the S26 series has driven a robust early demand. Pre-order volume is up 25%. That's a lot compared to the previous generation, with Galaxy S26 Ultra making up 80% of all pre-order sales. Now, that's not really big news. We all know the Ultra outsells the base S Galaxy model and the Plus model combined, right? And Samsung actually tweaked their manufacturing this year. They produced more Ultra models than all previous years because they anticipated another heavy sales period for the Ultra device. So they I think Samsung kind of geared up for a heavy sales year, but I think even these numbers were or are surpassing their expectations. Major carriers are reporting significant early momentum with more than 70% increase. 70% in pre-orders when compared to the S25 series. That is insane. You cannot tell me Samsung was expecting to see those numbers. And that's insane. Now, I see a ton of people. Like this person right here. They're going to wait for the Vivo Ultra and Oppo to compare. Maybe sell the S26. Okay. I've seen quite a few people saying that they're going to pass. And so I'm like, damn, are their sales that good? I've seen a lot of people in my comments have comment section in the last few days when I have S26 Ultra videos that say, yeah, I'm going to pass. And I'm shocked to see these numbers. I mean, when I saw this, I literally read it twice. I was like, what? 70%? Holy crap. Well, my S26 Ultra was just delivered. Give me a second so nobody steals it off my porch. The door is right here. Give me 1 second. Okay. S26 Ultra. There you go. So, I got mine. Nobody got it. You never know nowadays. And that's crazy. I've been waiting all day for it. And I've been doing work from my home office. But I'm like, come on, I need to start recording. Where is it? And then what do you know? I told y'all, as soon as I hit live or record, something happens. I get all these phone calls. I get my cat's bothering me. I get deliveries. And for a large majority of the time, I'm left alone during the day. It's just, I don't know. It's a YouTube. It's a something with YouTube. But all right, I'm not gonna open it now. We'll do it later. I want to get through this stuff because we have some interesting news. So yeah, I would too, except I regretfully entered in the beta program and it totally jacked my phone up. So I don't recommend doing that. I mean, I guess I could. Y'all want to see it real quick? I don't have a camera. I don't have a downward shooting camera, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this. And I don't have a knife or scissors to open it up. It's a black 512 gig. Pretty cool. Yeah, the cameras on here look really really improved. So it's weird. It's weird. These colors this year are really weird. When you see them in pictures, when you see them on YouTube videos, the colors look different with the naked eye. Don't know why it's like that, but I mean, the purple looks blue, the blue looks silver. Yeah, it is very cool. I'm excited. I'm really excited next week for the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. I plan on getting one of those, but I'm just happy because now I don't have to charge my phone twice a day. See what I'm saying? Like, I'm excited with that. Like I told you, my S25 Ultra is really screwed up, but I'll do I'm gonna have a lot of reviews here, camera reviews, battery life, charging, all sorts of stuff. So we will, I'll get that going here in the next day or so, but, well, tomorrow. But I want to get back to these pre-order sales. I guess that's the rest of the article, but I'm kind of shocked seeing so many people order these phones. And again, it's really not much of an upgrade. It looks a little different. The wobble is insane. As far as if it's laying down flat on a flat surface, it's like a freaking seesaw. That bothers me. But I think, again, before we move on, I think a lot of the people that did get this S26 Ultra are people that had older devices that it's just time to upgrade, you know. I mean, there's nothing really special about it. You know, it's kind of the same phone. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to it, and I'm going to record everything, and we shall see how it goes.